bread. To make this bread, we need 2 1/2 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 3/4 cup of warm water. Let's get started. The first step we need to do is we add our warm water to our yeast. And then we stir it. And after stirring it, we add our sugar and then mixing it again. After mixing it, we take our lid and put it on top of it and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Our second step, we add our 1 egg, our butter, our salt, and our yeast that we mixed up in our first step. And then we stir it. After stirring it, we add our flour. We add half of our flour. And then we mix it while we add it. After adding the half in, we add our milk powder to our mixture. Then we add the other half of our flour mixture. Now we keep on stirring until it turns into a dough form. And now we're done making the dough. And now we're going to stretch it. Hey Helena, do you know how to stretch it?
Sure.
Okay. And now we stretch the dough for about 50 or more times. Now we stretched it about for 50 times, and now we make it into a ball and put it into our bowl and let it sit for 1 hour. Now we let it sit for 1 hour.
Wow, the dough got so big.
Now we take our dough out of the bowl. And now we flatten it out so we can take out all the air bubbles. Now that we've flattened it, we just need to spread it out so we can roll it up. And now we're done that. Now we roll it up really slowly. While I'm rolling it up, we use this type of pan to make our bread. Helena, can you start buttering that up for me?
Sure.
And now we take the ends and close them together to the dough. After doing that, now we take the two ends and close them. You done? Okay. Now we take it and flatten it in our pan and let it rise for about 35 to 45 minutes. It's been 35 minutes and now we're gonna bake it. We preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 35 minutes. I took it out of the oven from 35 minutes and now we put on our butter to soften the bread. And now we take it out of the pan. And now we dump it. Now we're going to cut our bread. Wow, look at that. That's so soft. Do you want to try it?
Sure.
Okay, tell me how it tastes.
Tastes so good.
Please try this recipe, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe and like.